I want to provide my home inspection clients with their inspection report without my clients having to opt in or opt out in order to get their report. I don't want my clients' confidential information being sold or shared either. Here's InterNACHI's FetchReport system, where your clients can download their reports in confidence without opting in or opting out or having any problems with their confidential information being shared. Start by visiting nachi.org/FetchReport. And it looks like this. When your clients want to download your inspection report, they enter their email right here in the field, and they click Continue. FetchReport lets you quickly and easily download the inspection report. And to begin, they just simply enter their email address. And the FetchReport system will send your client a link. If you're an InterNACHI member, scroll down the page a little bit and click the button to log into your dashboard to begin the process. So let's do that. Right now, in my InterNACHI dashboard, I don't have any inspection reports. So let's upload one. You click the link and you drag and drop your file right here. So I have an inspection report uploading right now. Upload is complete. That was pretty easy. In the report title field, I'll usually type in my client's last name, the property address, the recipient's, my client's email address, and a comment. Click Save. Now I can download the report. I can see my client's email address. I can revoke their access, I can resend it, or I can just give them a link. I can even add more recipients, like the real estate agent, to the email. To fetch the report, all your client has to do is open an email that was sent by the FetchReport system. Inside the email, there's a big button. They click it, and on the next page are the terms. It says, the report you're about to download was uploaded by your inspector. Neither InterNACHI nor its agents or employees review the contents of the reports hosted on FetchReport. It's pretty confidential. And they click that they understand the terms, and they download the report. And on the next page, there's your message, here's your report, and a big green button to download the file. And there's the inspection report. And that's the free FetchReport system provided by InterNACHI for your home inspector clients to easily and confidentially download their inspection reports.